y'all, let's make some iced coffee together. So first I have to brag, this is the Pampered Chef Deluxe coffee machine. I absolutely am obsessed. You can make ground coffee, K-cups, and espresso. So I'm using the espresso. They each have different cup sizes that you can use. So I'm doing a 6 ounce, and then I'm going to use my caramel. This is my favorite. You can use whatever syrup you want. So I line the cup. It might be a little too much, but you know. Back to this coffee machine really quick. So it comes with 3 inserts: ground coffee, an espresso, and K-cup. Absolutely love it. Your coffee brews, the machine provides the perfect pressure, the perfect temperature, and the flow rate, as your coffee will never be bitter or burnt. I absolutely love it. You can make delicious cups of espresso. You can recreate your go-to coffee house drinks like lattes, macchiatos, Americanos. In this case, iced coffee. And best for last, this is our milk frother. So I'm going to make some cold foam. So I stuck the creamer that I wanted in there, and then I just pushed it over to the cold foam, and look how perfect this is. You guys, you need this Deluxe coffee machine, I'm telling you.